Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today what we're going to do, we'll show you how to diagnose, replace a light switch, brake light switch on Mercedes W163. This one will be the M-Class, guys. We're demonstrating on ML320 here. Okay, some years might differ the newer ones after the facelift, but I think almost all of them will be about the same procedure. We have a code for it, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna check the fuse first, make sure it's good. Okay, and let's see which fuse it is. Okay, right here will be number 15. You can see brake light switch. So number 15 is this fuse here. Make sure the car is off. Okay, we're gonna pull it. Hopefully not lose it. Okay, fuse is good. So we scan it with the computer, guys. Okay, we're using MaxiSys here at the shop. And okay, let me show you inside because it's too much light and I cannot focus. Okay, right here we have quite a few traction control lights and things like that. So we're going to diagnose it and turn one by one off. And we have a problem, okay, with a stop lamp switch right here. You can see it's current, so it's stored in the computer, and it's present code. So that's the one, C1200 brake light switch. And when you go to the back, okay, and you press the brake light, you will not have brake lights at all. Okay, you can see no brake lights at all. So we'll show you guys now how to remove and replace the brake light switch. They're pretty inexpensive. So what we need to do now, it's located under the dash right here. So stay with us and we're gonna start on it now. So we first, guys, need to go underneath it right here. Okay, and we need to remove a couple screws. You can see right there. Two, you can see so far. And on the back we have those caps there. Okay, you can just unscrew them with a screwdriver like that. Pull them out, plastic caps, one more on this side there. Okay, this one is a little bit tighter. And this thing doesn't come out as easy, but it will. We'll show you now in a second. Okay, this one's still holding quite a bit. Okay, we don't have anything else, but we have the diagnostic cable here that we need to disconnect. Okay, the OBD. So you need to slide that thing to the back. Okay, and you can pull it out like that. Okay, and now this piece will come out. Okay, like that right here. And we'll be able to get to the brake light switch now. Okay, let me show you now, just 1 second, so we can get a good view for you guys. Okay, that's okay. Right here, brake light switch. So, okay, 1 second. What we'll need to do now, guys, in order to disconnect that thing in the back. Okay. Let me see. We need to press the brake pedal. Okay, 1 second now, we'll show you exactly how it is. So there is one little notch right there that you need to press and you need to turn now. Okay, once we get it out, we're gonna show you. Okay, this one right here, you press and then you can turn it. Now you need to disconnect the wires. It has two sets of wires there, so go ahead and pull those out. You just squish on both sides and pull out. Okay, like that. And this is, guys, the brake light switch, which in our case does not work. So we're gonna replace it now with a new one. But that's how you guys remove it, and pretty much installing is the same way. Okay, guys, so when you get the new brake light switch, you just install it in reverse order that we took it apart, guys, and that will be the whole procedure. Really simple fix. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Let's grow the channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.